Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint lime soda updated. Start by gathering fresh limes, mint, sugar, soda water, and ice. Zest 1 lime and reserve for garnish, then juice 2 limes into a bowl. Gently muddle 8 to 10 mint leaves with 2 tablespoons of simple syrup to release oils. Combine lime juice and muddled mint, then strain into a glass filled with ice and top with chilled warm tip. Be gentle when muddling mint to avoid bitterness and to keep that bright, fresh aroma. After muddling, mix the mint with freshly squeezed lime juice and 2 tablespoons simple syrup, then give it a quick taste to balance sweet and tart. Strain the mixture into an ice-filled glass to remove tough mint bits, then slowly pour 6 to 8 ounces of soda water to preserve fizz and texture. If you want to mix things up, try ginger ale for a sweeter fizz or club soda for a neutral bubbly lift. For a boozy option, add 5 ounces of vodka, tequila, or white rum to the strained lime and mint base before topping with soda. Consider rimming the glass with lime zest or sugar for presentation, then garnish with a lime wheel and mint sprig to make the drink feel extra special.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.